Okay, folks, Alexi Balian's here. Part 2 here. Okay, last time we looked at this model, and I think I tried to create a dormer here. Imagine that, eh? Face, and then basically, let me just do an extrude quickly here. I should have just, this could be 2 parts, who knows, right? And right click, let me just fix this up here, and let's go to object mode, and then get this one out of here. See ya. And W, bring this out a touch, architecturally a little higher, something like that, maybe up here somewhere, halfway, who knows. Command, oops, yes, save is good. Command D, duplicate, and drag that over somewhere there. Okay, something like that. I have a couple ideas for you, and I want to concentrate on duplicating these things. So look at this right now. I unwrapped it, and UV texture editor, there it is, right? Awesome. So the fact that this is UV right now, anytime I'm going to just duplicate it over and over. Okay, so check it out. Command D. Okay, I'm going to slide over here, and it's over there. And what I'll do later when I texture this, I'll just press E, rotate it, and look at this angle here on the Y, 90, sweet, and then that's cool, and I'll duplicate it again, that kind of thing. Do you get what I mean, folks? So watch how fast we can actually block this out, okay? So I can come over here, and I duplicated that one. Oop, I did not. Command Z, Command D, here we go. Right over there, and rotate this one opposite direction, maybe that way. -90, sweet. So later when it's textured, they're not facing the same things, okay? So again, duplicate one more time, W, slide that over, and again, I'm just gonna do simple blocking here, guys. I haven't really drawn this out, and I apologize. Command D again, and I'll bring it up here, E, rotate, and let's check this out. What is that? Here, yep, -90, bam. Come out here and click out, W, and it's coming up over there. So what I'll do is I'll put one on this side, and I'll and Command D again on this side, and we go. Basically, I'm trying to just extend it out of the house. I'll design it further in the future, okay, but you guys can see what I'm getting at, okay? So this is one aspect of it. Again, you can go Command D again, E, rotate. You get where I'm going with this. I'm going to come this way, look on the side. Y, -90, sweet. Oops, not -90. -180 maybe. Try that. Yeah. All right. And let's go to W. And I said W. I'm not seeing it. W. There. Okay. So we'll just do stuff like this, and we'll go from there. So what's really awesome about this now, guys, I can scale this. Come over here and scale it in. Something like that. W. And I'll just bring it out a touch, and then Command D again, and there it goes out like that. Okay, so what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get this going super fast for you guys here. Okay, so let's take this idea, the rough ashlar here, this cornerstone here. Okay, so what I'll do, I made a couple sketches in Photoshop. Love saying that over here, and you can see. Okay, so three possibilities I can use in the corner. Okay, I have wood, and then wood post and beam kind of construction, stone work. Okay, in, out, some detail. I can have stone, metal, wood. Kind of cool, right? So let's take this idea right now, okay? Or yeah, why don't we just base one down here? I'll just put the stone here and wood, something like that. You guys get where I'm going. The point is, here's my piece, okay? I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to bring it in, and I'm going to come like that, and over. Now, the fact this is UV'd, right, which is really awesome, and I'll come over here, and I'll kind of like set it in here, and I'll just press E, and nope, I said, sorry, I meant R, and let's go with W, okay? So here's my piece. And that's how I'm going to do it over here. Kind of we're looking pretty good. Okay. And press R again. Let's expand it a bit more here. W. And that's looking okay. I'm happy with that. And I'll take this piece here. Command D. Duplicate. All right. Ooh, I should have just duplicated the first one anyway. But anyway, you work with me, guys. Here's the piece. And I'm just going to come over here. Frame this a bit. Come in here. F. And slide over. This way. It is a duplicate. So what I'll do is I'll scale this down. W. And you're coming in here. And then R that way. Where's R? Come on. R. Like that. And in here. So something like that. W. Okay. So we're getting some additional detail here, okay? So what's cool about this, here's what we can do, okay? This is a corner detail, okay? And let's go into object mode, sorry. Here, edge mode, check it out. A little out, come on, W, just a touch out here, pretty nice. Then I'll just do the same thing here, edge mode, and then in. So what's really cool about what I'm trying to do here, guys, is I'm trying to make things irregular, okay? It doesn't have to be perfect, precise. No, there's no such thing. Oops. Stay on one axis when you're doing this, please, okay? And I'll bring this one out at the bottom like that, okay? So this is reading pretty nicely. And what I'll do right now is I'll come over here and I'll work on the irregularity of this pillar. Easy to work on edges, I think. And I'll just top this in a touch, maybe a touch in here too. Edge mode, boom, and then slide like that. So okay, so nothing too perfect, looking good, right? So what you can do is take all three pieces, duplicate, rotate, all that business, you're good to go. Okay, so object mode, and now watch this. I'll leave it the way it is, okay? And what's going on here? So why don't we get 1 and 2? Slide that over so we have some more out. Okay, cool. All right, so I'm just going to do a quick texture here for the wood. Okay, so let's go and Photoshop, file, open. Yes, desktop and wood pillar. There it is. Okay, I have my UVs. Okay, new layer, and I'll pop this above it. I said double click, unlock, see ya. Come up here, and I said one more time, come up, and then change this to maybe overlay or screen, who knows, whatever. Okay, I'm here, and I'm just gonna quickly, what I would normally do, guys, is bring a wood texture in, and I'll just go Command T, that's my channel, and look at that, it's uploaded, baby. There's that previous tutorial. There it is, I'm the only viewer. There you go, it's good to go. Okay, so what I'll do right now is I'll go wood texture. So just so you know, we always work with references, doesn't matter. Okay, so I can take a real one or a hand painted one, doesn't matter. So let's go with this one. It's kind of nicely aged, right? Ooh, baby, this one is 3400 by 220, something like that. Awesome. View image. Please don't take me anywhere else. Okay, cool. Save image as into my folder. Bingo, done. I have to delete this after the fact. Okay, so let's go over here, file, place, super fast. Bring the picture in, and there it is. All right, let's do this. Hold shift here, somewhere over here in the middle. Good to go, return. Okay, so whoa, Command Z. I want this on its own layer. I don't want it in the same layer. Okay, so let's bring that in again, file, place. Okay, one more time, go. Hope I'm recording, and yes, I am. Already 8 minutes, people. Okay, so it's on its own layer, awesome, and it's just I can even rotate this actually. Boom, hold shift, and there it is, okay? And that's kind of cool. I'm liking that. Okay, so I'll just work above that. And what I'm going to do is pick up some colors. Go to eyedropper. Okay, so eyedropper, current and below. Perfect. So current is here, below is there. Okay, so I'm taking this swash here, and B for brush, and I'm going to just paint over here. And we want to be in normal mode and really quick, big brush. Let's go. Okay, I'm just going to make this super fast. Okay, there it is. Let's go for a little dark tones. Let's go with light ones somewhere here. And I'm picking one more, middle. Okay, good enough. Okay, so this is my range, and then I'll go super light afterwards. Yeah, there you go, for highlights and things. Okay, good to go. So on this layer right now, I'll just zoom out. Guys, you can make marquee selections or whatever. It's cool. You can go like this, hold shift. Oops, nope, don't hold shift, sorry. Now hold shift and add one over here. Boom. And I'll just do a base color. Let's go to my eyedropper and go with the dark one. Okay, so there, G, see ya, done. Okay, so I've got that, Command D, and I'm going to do this super fast because I don't want these tutorials to be long. Okay, so let's reduce the brush size, zoom in a touch, and let's just play around. Okay, this brush is pretty cool. It's soft. We'll have to reduce it from 20. Okay, so that's not a problem. Okay, something like that. And let's go with different colors, okay? This was the first one, this one here, and I'm just gonna, and oh baby, I need to go thicker than that, but that's cool. Let's zoom in here so you guys can see what I'm doing and increase my brush size, and I'm just having fun with this, okay? There's no right, wrong on this, okay? Oh, yeah, we don't want rulers on. Command R, see ya, and arrow, bye-bye. Okay, so back to brush. Go for a little eye, highlight, and I'm just gonna B for brush. And I just want to show you how fast this can be done, okay? So one huge mistake here. Okay, I'll explain in a second. I'm going to try to avoid the edges, okay? And I want the edges to be kind of lighter than this. So I'm thinking of doing something eye, and let's just go somewhere over here, and I'm just going to quickly do the edge work here, okay? So I'm just going to click once, hold shift roughly. I said shift. So I just want the corner to be to overlap a certain way, okay? Oh baby, that didn't work. I wasn't holding shift, that's for sure. Okay, so that's done. Back to brush, eye for eyedropper. Let's get some different colors in here and zoom out. And again, I'm gonna make this super rough, guys, okay? I'm just speeding up here. And we're on opacity, just a touch, flow, a touch. Go with this one. Okay, and then we're just gonna play around right now, okay, and then I'll fix these ones afterwards. Let's go for darker, and change your brush size when you're doing this. Oh my god, I can't see a thing today. Okay, cool. Just okay, you get what I'm doing. I'm just doing this, okay, back and forth, and my color range doesn't seem to be that great because there's not enough of a contrast, so we'll make contrast, okay? So eye in here. Okay, so I'll just come in here. And then what you can do is you can come in here, get the eyedropper, get a color in between, and start doing that. Get this one, and then again, you know, some cool stuff going on here. And then at the bottom and the edges, I'll just kind of go something like that. Eye for a little darker. Okay, so detailing here. You get what I'm doing, right? Okay, so I'm just going to really do this quick, guys. I'm sorry, it's Friday afternoon. Let's just do something like that. Okay, sorry. Here, 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 and one more. Something like that. Okay, good enough. Hide the top layer. Get rid of this one. Say, see ya. And what I'll do right now is I'll just make another layer underneath black. Switch, boom. Come on. G, boom, like that. Wow, look at that, eh? Okay, so there it is. It's super rough. I get it. Okay, so I'm going to take these two and I'm going to go Command-Shift-S, save as JPEG, and JPEG wood pillar copy JPEG. Okay, cool. So that's there. I'll go now into Maya over here, right? And Control A and assign, it is a new material, clearly. Let's just do it anyway, Lambert. Later on we'll show you how to add normals and everything else. But for now, file in my folder, pardon me, desktop, demo, pillar copy. Okay, so is this the one? Yes, it is. Object mode, and why my babies aren't coming up here? Très bizarre. Okay, so I'm going to click out. Let's get rid of the edges. Shading, where is shading? Okay, so there's my first piece, okay? So what happened, I'm not sure why. I did duplicate this to bring it over here. So why don't I just delete that now? Come over here, E, and this way, Control A, and say -90. You guys get where I'm going. But when I did this by from my previous one, all of them were textured at the same time. So there's something not working right, but no big deal. So notice right now, A and B are different in this elevation. Kind of cool. I'm happy with it. Again, it's super bright. It's okay. So that looks nice to me. What are we doing on time here, people? Wow. Okay, let's in 5 minutes. Let's just pop in a stone texture. It will definitely take a lot longer than 5 minutes, so I'll do that as well. Okay. Save. Boom. And I'll call this wood pillar PSD. Good. And then I'm just going to go to open, right now. And where's my stone? This one, I believe, stone number 1. Let's see what it is. Okay, so that's what it is. It's right there. Double click, undo, unlock. This comes up and it's got to overlay or screen, whatever you want. No big deal. Come back. And again, ideally what you do is you bring an example of stone into this image. I'm not, for the sake of time right now. Okay, and let's just get you a range right now. Okay, I'm on a new layer, and let's just come over here. And I gotta get my stylus going here, and okay, somewhere here, boom, and my first color, second, where is that? Let's go extreme down here. Okay, well, you're not going to see that, Balian. Let's go there. How about that one? Ideally, okay, so what's going on here? Okay, that's there, here. I am on the right. Oh, hang on a second. Let's go to screen. Okay, there you go. Screen's better. And we'll do some more, okay? And between here. And I do want to do a bit of moss, so going in the bottom, right? Let's do something like that. Cool. Okay, and we'll work something in between these two right now. I again for this, and here we go. Okay, something like that. Okay, we're good enough. Okay, so I'm in this. Again, I can come in with a quick marquee tool, hold no holding anything, just one. And I'm just going to do a base color, shift, and here we go. And usually I'd like to go above and beyond my texture area. And you can actually expand through the selection, but I'm not doing that right now because I'm super lazy Friday afternoon Balian guy. G for paint bucket, and let's just take this one. Boom, done. Okay, cool. Next thing, yeah, we're in here. Back to brush, and I'm just gonna go with this color here, and let's just go quick lines. Okay, let's just get this business going here. Do you see anything? Possibly not. Oh, I don't need to have this selection on anymore. That's fine. Actually, I could have pressed Command H, Control H for you guys on Windows, and what could have happened is I could have had a mask, which is a really, really cool technique. Okay, it would have been like a mask without even knowing that. Okay, so there's that, and am I not seeing that? Okay, I am seeing it. Okay, so that's cool. I'm gonna go into the moss mode here, just a touch. I'm just gonna oh, it is low. Okay, cool. So just come on down here at the base. Actually, this is the base right here. This is the base. Okay, and this is the base right here. Boom, boom, boom. I'm doing this super fast. And what I should be doing, guys, when I'm doing this, check this part out. This is the coolest part, I think. Get your eyedropper. Bingo. Get another color close to this range. And so you're having subtle changes. See what I mean? As opposed to one extreme color to another. Look, this is the green. Slide over. There's a bit of a gray there. And yes, and now we're just like working our way up. Okay, so there it is. Just a touch here, and I'm sliding up. And then let's go with a little bit of this. And whoa, that's not happening. How did that happen? Let's see, current and below. There is no below. So this is pretty rough, right? So no way, it's too dark. Command Z, Command Option Z. Okay, so let's go over here. I got another one. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a bit of washes here, guys. I'm sorry, I'm rushing this. I apologize. And I'm just gonna kind of make this area a thicker area. So because what I want to do is work on my colors in terms of maybe, you know, just aging, washing, that kind of thing. Okay, so quick. Okay, it's coming in, and I got to zoom in now. This is way too extreme. Okay, so coming in here, light, and then what I'll do, you guys, if light's coming from the right side, so this will be darker, right? So what I'll just do, maybe I'll just take the darker brush here, just kind of go dark, left, right, yeah, something like that. And I'll just go. That's still, man, that's still too big. Okay, so let's just do this. I'll fix it in a minute. You'll get what I mean. But left side over here. And what I'll do right now is I'll just get something in between, wash this out, touch. Okay, so I'm making this really fast to show you guys that it doesn't take much. It does take a lot, actually. This area takes a lot, but for now we're just having fun, and it's a bit of work, and you really got to love what you're doing at this point, because this is a cool challenge, okay? In the sense that you can work on this over and over. You'll get ideas. What I'm going to do is cut here, make some cuts possibly. That's too symmetrical. See ya. Let's do it on this side. Okay, and I'm just going to come in here, take this guy here, and just have a cut going, and another cut on this side, and then I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to actually work on, just blending that in. Okay, so what I'll do is just like kind of maybe a cut over here. Cut going on, right? And then what I'll do is I'll take some of this here, and I'll super thin, and I'll just do some veins, some examples. Okay, and then you can actually cut colors. Again, I'm just doing this super fast, guys. Okay, and there, I'm just gonna end it right there because time is flying. Ooh, 21 minutes. What? Okay, so that's cool. Hide the top layer, and let's do this. That's fine. Let's just go file, save, command save as, and I'll go as stone one as JPEG. Okay, JPEG, and then save, and then I'm gonna have to bring it into Maya. Let's see you. Okay, you are here, right? And right click, assign new material. There it is. No worries, Lambert. It's already been UV'd file. Let's see if we can find it on the desktop. Yeah, this is desktop. Cool. Stone copy J. Is that it? Yeah. Okay, there. I love it. Okay, so watch this. So, okay, object. There it is. It's happening. I'm happy with this. Okay, so what I can do, Command D, duplicate, check it out. I can come over here now. Again, proportionally, this is a different size. Okay, no worries. I'm going to press R, scale it out. Okay, this isn't a good practice right now, but ideally when I'm texturing stuff, I can actually have a piece at the size that I want and then work from there. Okay, so go to edge mode, and here's my piece, W out, there. Okay, you on the inside, let's just come out as touch. Object mode, cool, W, bring that over, and then let's just do edge over here. Again, out, a touch. And okay, so let me just go face. Let me see what I can do here. Face W up. Okay, object. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? That's okay. E. I can rotate this guy again, and whoa, flying like that. Control A and see the number, -180. Cool. And it'll look different than that guy there, right? That's the goal here, right? So again, edge mode. W. Cool, and like that. Okay, object, we'll just leave it right like this, and then I'll just duplicate these guys, and I'm gonna go Command D, and I'll make a bunch of these side by side. Again, you duplicate, guys, you know what to do. I'm not gonna hold you all the steps here. You get the point of this. Okay, that one's gonna come in here, whatever. Okay, we'll have to move this one, obviously. I should have kept it earlier. E, C on this way. Let's just go, actually, let's just go to 0. Bingo. Okay, so W, come on. There. All right, so guys, I am rushing. I apologize. You get where I'm going with this, okay? This is really rough texturing. There's hope. There's hope out there, and we can fix all this. I'm embarrassed. I'll do more versions of this. Clearly, you'll see what's going on. Okay, edge mode here, and then bring that in line. I said this one, object. Come on, click out. It's on the floor. I'll just have to, you know what? To work this properly as well, we should be making selection sets, right? Man, We'll do that next tutorial. Good enough. Okay, so for now, I just did all this all in 40 minutes. Okay, guys? I hope you're okay with that. Maybe 45. Balian out. See you later. Balian out. See ya, see ya, see ya. Friday afternoon.